In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with WordPress in 2025, trends, themes, and building your first site. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. WordPress has continued to evolve this year, blending simplicity with power. You'll see deeper AI integration for content and design, major investments in the block editor and full site editing, and built-in performance boosts like smarter caching and lazy loading. Security and accessibility are also front and center, so the sites you create are faster, safer, and easier for everyone to use. Before you build, make sure you have reliable hosting and a domain. WordPress itself is free, but you'll need that hosting plan and a domain name to put your site on the web. Choose a provider that offers automatic backups, SSL certificates, and one-click installs to make your life easier. Next, install WordPress. Many hosts provide a guided installer that sets up the database and core files for you. When the setup finishes, you'll land in the dashboard, which is your control center for everything from content to design. Now pick your design foundation. The default theme for 2025 is called 2025. It's simple, adaptable, and packed with ready-made patterns and templates for different pages, so you can assemble a professional layout without code. If you want to explore other looks, go to Appearance, then Themes, and browse or upload alternatives. Because block themes work hand-in-hand with full site editing, you can customize headers, footers, and templates visually, right in the editor. Add functionality with plugins. If you need forms, e-commerce, analytics, or multilingual support, there's likely a plugin for it. Be selective. Check reviews, confirm active maintenance, and keep everything updated. Thanks to the platform's built-in performance improvements, you may need fewer optimization plugins than before. Start building your site in the block editor. Use blocks for text, images, galleries, and embeds. Drop in patterns to speed up page sections, and adjust global styles to control colors, typography, and spacing site-wide. AI-powered tools can help draft copy or propose layouts, but always review suggestions to match your brand and accessibility standards, including alt text and clear contrast. If you're planning a complex app or need blazing performance on the front end, know that headless and hybrid setups are increasingly common, letting you keep the familiar editor while delivering content to a separate front end. Publish, review, and iterate. With WordPress in 2025, you have a modern toolkit that stays approachable while scaling to serious projects. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.